Welcome back to I Didn't Know That. Today we're going to be talking about the coronavirus, and mostly on coronavirus 2019, or COVID-19. Coronavirus is a disease that is caused by the disease strain SARS-CoV-2. This disease, which is believed to have been started by bats, is spread by air, when someone takes in water droplets from an infected person. Though rarer, coronavirus can also be spread through touching surfaces that have contaminated droplets. But what is coronavirus specifically? Or what is the virus that causes the disease? Well, SARS-CoV-2 is an RNA virus. What is that, you may ask? Well, RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is similar to DNA in structure, except for the fact that while DNA has 2 strains, RNA has 1. RNA is essential in creating protein and also transports messages to DNA in cells, which is important for later on. The virus, COVID in this case, uses the RNA to force cells to create a special kind of protein. The protein is then expressed or used by the cell, which causes the cell to replicate the virus over and over again. Once the protein is used up, the cell dies. In very severe cases, coronavirus can cause a cytokine storm once enough cells have died. Let me explain. Cytokines are a type of protein that is created by cells that are sent to other cells and help regulate what the cell does and how well it's functioning. They also cause inflammation, which is used in fighting diseases. A cytokine storm is a psychological reaction that causes the body to release large quantities of cytokines, which can cause organ failure and death. And the virus is very effective. Just a few months, the virus has infected almost 17 million people. It's theorized that every infection will result to 4 new ones. The most common symptoms of virus is fever, coughing, and fatigue. These symptoms may not be present until some time after, which can be up to 14 days. This is very common in most diseases and is called incubation period. The reason the virus is spreading really fast is because of its long incubation period. So someone may not know they have the coronavirus until up to 2 weeks later, and by that time they may have infected many more people. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the bell.